Good morning, everyone. I'm Joshua. Last weekend, my mentor, Dr. Chris Chang, told me the secret to becoming the best speaker. And he said, don't tell anyone. So today, I would like to share that secret with all of you. This happened last week after I attended Chris' lecture. It's the largest orthodontic event in Taiwan, the annual meeting of the Taiwan Association of Orthodontists. Dr. Chris Chang was one of the speakers in the morning session together with 3 other outstanding speakers. After Dr. Chang finished his lecture, I happened to be sitting right beside him. He leaned over and said to me, Joshua, listen carefully to every speaker. Write down 3 strengths and 3 shortcomings from each talk. Learn from both, and one day you will become a better speaker. So I followed his advice. From the first speaker, I learned that even excellent content can lose impact if the voice is too soft. A gentle voice may sound calm, but it can make even strong ideas feel less convincing. From the second speaker, I learned the importance of time management. He spent 30 minutes on a single case in a 40-minute lecture, leave no time for a proper conclusion. From the third speaker, I learned how confidence matters. The speaker started a lecture by saying, I am very nervous. I stayed up all night editing my slides. An opening like this can make the audience feel that your message is not persuasive enough. However, the lesson was not to judge others, but to identify what we can improve in ourselves. Then, I reflected on Dr. Chang's lecture and I realized there are several qualities that truly define him as a master speaker. First, precision. His timing and pacing are impeccable. He finishes exactly on time, on track, and on point. Second, panoramic. Not panoramic radiographs, but a panoramic global perspective. He places every case within a broader international and high-level framework. Third, persuasive. His cases are comprehensive, his logic is clear, and every critical question is addressed, earning deep trust from the audience. Fourth, personal. His lectures are not only professional, but also deeply personal, full of life stories and personal philosophy, rather than rigid formulas. And finally, passionate. His passion is contagious. The audience laughs, applauds, and stay fully engaged from beginning to end. Now, you might say, Joshua, you have talked about all the advantages. Surely your mentor has some drawbacks. You are right. I believe Dr. Chris Chang has one clear drawback. He needs more hair.
My unposterior will someday I grow my hair like this. Maybe this is too long. Version Plan B will be something like this. I want to grow my hair. With that, I thank you for your attention, my dear friend.
I'm Joshua. Thank you.